and welcome to healingcodecards.com. I'm happy to introduce this next tutorial to everybody, and this tutorial is all about a new method that is featured through the Healing Code cards. It's called the capture method. Now, for those of you who have already been using the Healing Code cards, you know that there are currently 3 methods that you can work with, or if you're very new to the Healing Code cards altogether, there are these 3 methods. The first one, if I'm to use a sample card here from the body deck, which is the nervous system enhancer. The first one is the staring technique. Okay, so you're looking at the card for at least 60 seconds. Okay, if you want to go beyond 60 seconds, you can certainly do that. Okay, for as long as you want, doesn't matter. Okay, but as long as you do the 60-second rule. Okay, so the 60-second rule for the staring technique or the staring method. Okay, that's one particular way. The second one is if I have a glass of water here, and I lean my card against the glass of water, or I can put the card underneath the glass, maybe if I have a coaster, and I can put it underneath the glass, or I can put it over top of the glass as well too. And I can, again, keep it there for at least 60 seconds or longer, all depends on you, okay? And what that's doing is that's taking your water, or your tea, or your juice, and you're putting the healing codes through this card directly into the liquid, and you're just sipping it down bit by bit. Okay, so like I said, you can keep it on there for longer than 60 seconds if you choose to. The third option is the body method. Okay, so you're just placing your card upon your body. So if this is the nervous system, I can basically just put this anywhere on my body. I can just put it on the center of my chest, and I can just keep it here. I can go lay down on my couch or on my bed, and maybe I'll take a 1-hour nap, and I'll just keep the card on me. Like I said, as long as you do the 60 seconds, it can be as long after that as you want, okay? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, etc., okay? As long as you do the 60 seconds. Now, so we have the staring method, we have the charge method, charging the water, we have the body method. Now, there is a 4th method that you can now implement with the Healing Code cards that I've actually discovered not too long ago. So let's say, for example, we are using the nervous system enhancer here, and I have a photo of myself. Okay, just printed this on my printer. It's decent quality. It doesn't have to be, picture perfect. But again, it's a hologram representing my energy. Okay, this is how a photo works. When you have a photo of somebody, you are capturing their vibrational hologram. Okay, your body has a hologram. So by having a photo of a person, then that person, of course, exists through the photo. We're using that through the capture method, okay? So if this was me, or if this was my best friend, for example, right, I could use that as well too, if this is somebody else. So using the nervous system enhancer, I just place the photo on top of the card just like that, just as you see here. Now, I have the 20x amplifier from the Healing Code cards mind deck, okay? And again, the body deck and mind deck cards are completely compatible with each other. Okay, so you can use the amplifier cards with the body deck as well too. Okay, so now I have the 20x amplifier that is amplifying the nervous system with me on top of the cards with my own photo. Okay, so now I can place it down, and I just let it go to work. I don't have to do anything else. Okay, so the nervous system enhancer is already working on me. It's sending those codes directly to my photo. But if you want to be 100% sure, you can say, nervous system enhancer, send all your healing codes to this person whose photograph is right here. Okay, let it be done. If you want to do that for certainty reasons, you can go ahead. But as soon as you put your photo on top of the card, it starts to work. Okay, but again, if you want that affirmation, go ahead and do that as well too. Now, yes, you can use the capture method for other people also. Okay, so if you have your mom, your father, your brother, your sister, your best friend, right, and you know that there's maybe a problem with their nervous system and they need some help with that, then what I always recommend is just being courteous, right, and asking their permission, making sure that it's okay with them and saying, hey, I hope you don't mind, I want to do some energy healing work on you. Is that okay? Oh, sure, go ahead. Okay, that's great. That's our green light. All right, so now let's pretend this is your best friend. Okay, you got your nervous system enhancer here. you got your amplifier card, and now you got the three of these together. Okay, and again, if you wanted just to have assuredness and saying, okay, here's a picture of my best friend, nervous system enhancer, send all of your codes to my best friend, enhanced with the 20x amplifier. Let it be done. Okay, and that's it. Or again, just put the photo down, and now your friend will start receiving those codes for the nervous system enhancer. Okay, it's the same thing with any other card really in the deck. Here's the Mind X throat chakra releaser. Okay, I just do the exact same thing. Placing the photo on top of the throat chakra releaser. Okay, the cards know to bring that frequency, bring the healing codes directly up to that person with their photo on top of the card. So again, I just leave it down, or again, I can do the previous affirmation as well. It's up to you. But like I said, as soon as you put that photo down upon that card, the healing code cards are programmed to know that they're going to send it to that person. Okay? So again, this is known as the capture method. It is the fourth method that you can use for the healing code cards, either for the body deck or for the mind deck, and again, in combination with one another, working with the body deck and the mind deck all together. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.